Most countries reside only on one continent, but some countries are located on two continents. These types of countries are called transcontinental countries. Here in this video, we will take a look at the countries that are located in Europe and Asia. The land area consisting of Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. The boundary between Europe and Asia is unusual because it's largely characterized by mountains and rivers. Throughout history, there have also been numerous changes to the boundary between Europe and Asia. As you know, the ocean does not separate the two continents and they both exist on the same landmass. The boundary between Asia and Europe is often defined to follow the Aegean Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Turkish Strait, the Black Sea, the Greater Caucasus, and the Ural River and mountains. However, there are disagreements regarding the precise boundary between the continents. The modern definition of the border of Europe and Asia places 5 countries into both continents. The majority of northern Eurasia is covered by Russia, the largest country in the world. Russia covers a vast area of Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. Although the majority of Russia's population live in Europe, the majority of its area is located on the Asian continent. Russia's European portion is around 40% of Europe's total landmass, making Russia the largest country in Europe. Russia's Asian part covers almost the entire northern Asia, making Russia the largest country in Asia as well. Since a portion of Russian land now extends into both Europe and Asia, the nation is home to individuals and cultures from both continents. Nearly 80% of Russia's population live in the territory that is considered part of Europe. This includes Russia's most populous city, Moscow, which is also the country's capital. Moscow alone has more than 12 million residents, making Moscow the second most populous city in all of Europe. Other populous cities like St. Petersburg and Kazan are also located in Russia's European part. Just 3 of Russia's largest cities, Novosibirsk, Omsk and Samara, are located in Asian territory. With the customs, culture and traditions of both Europe and Asia, Russia has become a multicultural nation. The country of Georgia, Russia's one of bordering countries, are also located in both Europe and Asia. Georgia borders the Black Sea to the west, Russia to the north, Turkey, Armenia and Azerbaijan to the south. It's little bit harder than it seems to determine whether Georgia belongs in Asia or Europe. The country of Georgia is located mainly on the Asian portion of the Caucasus. There are small parts of Georgia which are located in Europe. Georgia is considered a European country geopolitically despite most of the land is located in Asia. The European Council said in June 2022 that it would be willing to award Georgia the status of candidate for membership of the European Union after a set of recommended reforms. Pretty much like Georgia, Turkey falls almost entirely within Western Asia. Most of Turkey consists of the region known as Anatolia or Asia Minor. Most of Turkey's population lives in Anatolia. Almost all of Turkey's major cities are also located in Anatolia, including its capital Ankara. However, a small portion of Turkey is situated in the region known as Thrace, which is the southeast corner of the Balkan Peninsula. Geographically, Thrace belongs to Southeast Europe. The Bosphorus Strait in Istanbul separates Turkey's European and Asian portion. It means Istanbul, which is Europe's most populous city, is located in both Asian and European continent, making Istanbul the largest and the most prominent city to be in two continents. Azerbaijan is also a country located mainly on the Asian portion of the Caucasus, with a small portion of the country in Europe, making Azerbaijan a transcontinental country. A population of about 5% of the country live in the European portion, while the majority live in the Asian portion. Its capital city Baku is also located in the Asian portion of the country. The world's largest landlocked country, Kazakhstan, is a nation primarily in Central Asia, with a minor section of the nation stretching into Eastern Europe. About 10% of the country is on the European side of the Ural Mountains, and the other 90% is in Asia. The country's physical, cultural, ethnic and geographic characteristics are Central Asian. Kazakhstan's identity has been shaped by both Europe and Asia, and it continues to be influenced by both regions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for more educational content.